Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're back at the air raid shelter. I'm going to try out my new tools. Hope you all enjoy and like, subscribe and let's get into it.
Everybody fucking jump!
Right guys, we are here. We're inside here. Now, we're going to use this just in case we get any activity while we're walking through. I almost fell on bloody rock. That's size on it, it's fucking breeze block. Just walking through to see if there might be someone here. God, doesn't anybody learn in this place? Christ. This is all new.
If I keep my eyes closed, he feels just like you.
Yeah, this is new. All of this wood, weren't you?
What's wrong?
It's in just a small out area.
I think that's what actually the ones put on the roof. That looks right. Yeah. And this is the end fire or what's going on?
I keep on nearly falling.
Yeah, that's my symbol.
Yeah, but look at this. Why is there a pentagram in it? Why does it say run?
Right.
Just, do you know if it said run?
Well, yeah.
Oh, you look at that on the camera.
It's illuminated. Say run.
Illuminate. There's a fucking run. Right. What room should we try and get the activity?
Middle one, is it? Next one though.
That's what I'm thinking, because that has all the creepy right in. And it has the Antichrist symbol.
Oh, this one goes the Antichrist symbol over there.
No, this one as well.
Oh, okay. God damn.
God, that's dark.
This one.
Oh no, yeah, the Antichrist is in that one. What's wrong with your life? Fuck life. What sort of... I think Gina's an absolutely disgusting name. Gina.
Gina, if you're watching this, I apologise. I'm laughing and crying.
Kill them.
Like I'm dying.
Ah?
When the time comes.
Smile.
Huh? 4 years ago. Step on me. Hello?
Let's go check. We'll just pop our heads around and shine the lights down. Oh my god. There was a bit of... Do you know that corner where it's dark as hell from all the mould?
Yeah.
I thought that was someone standing there. What was that bloody heart attack? Oh, look at that as well. There's even seats laid out for us.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
So I gotta shit this fucking... The shit. What do you see? What do you see?
Back down.
Don't any spiders touch me. I am going to cry like a girl.
Oh, don't worry, I got it on camera.
I don't know, I'm a bit now. I have got a big phone.
Alright guys, let's put you down.
Oh, this is my first time walking all the way through here as well. I've never gone all the way through here. It's absolutely amazing.
I walked through here and I was 12 in the night last time. On my own.
It's my first time. I've never gone all the way through.
For some reason I feel comfortable walking through here. Let's adjust the camera.
Do you want me to open it?
Yeah. Pull the screen to you so you can tell that it's on me. Right. If there is any spirit here, can you make this EMF meter go off? Show us that you're here. You didn't shine on it because the light's bright as hell.
Something just fell off the ceiling, boys. I think I just caught that on camera as well. No word of a lie, yeah.
Let us know you are here. Make a noise. Make my EMF meter go off. Do anything.
So,
make a tapping noise on the wall. Did you hear that?
I heard the tap in that corner, but you said you thought you seen something just now.
That was a genuine tap. Just relax anyway. The ghost feet on your feet.
I'm not scared, I just heard it.
They cannot harm. Right, let me state it first of all. You are not allowed to attach yourself to me, my equipment, or my friends.
Tap if you understand.
Tap once if you understand, twice for no. Tap once for yes, twice for no.
I hear the tap. I hear another tap. Over there again.
Same.
Just a single tap or?
Yeah, like.
No, like a.
No, it's like.
Yeah, like
yeah.
that. Come from over there, I heard it.
I'm telling you, but there's something up with this place.
Alright, come on then, let's get this meter, get the meter out, get the.
I'm gonna have to bleep all that out.
Oh, wait,
my little sister watches these. Yeah, and these were caught. These were by the handles on them.
Yeah.
You hold them like and the ghosts, the spirits move them. I'm holding the handles, so I can't move them at all or do anything. So let's just see. Let me get them level. If there are any spirits here, could you cross the dowsing rods? Use all your power, because you're moving.
I'm going to close the shot down.
Use all your power, cross them to let us know you're here.
This is quite angry, so keep it down a bit. Outside width.
Oh. What is that?
I don't know. Carry on, carry on. There's just another tap.
That's a car coming over. Do you hear that again?
Yeah.
Stay there. I'm going to stand over there and use these over there.
Do you want to take a camera?
No, I just pointed at it. That just spiked again.
Yeah, we got the green lights.
If there are any spirits here, could you move these dowsing rods into each other? Cross, if you understand me.
Turn a bit more to the camera.
Cross the dowsing rods, if you understand me, please. Use all your power. all your power. I'm just here to communicate. Come on. I know you are here. I've heard you tap like 3 times now. So I know that you are here. Ooh.
Another tap.
It sounds like water dripping, but there's no water getting in here.
That's what I mean, there's no puddles, there's bone dry.
No. And all these are doing is twitching. Like they're moving slightly, but they're not actually crossing.
Yeah.
Use all your power. Make these cross. Make them straight. Make these dowsing rods cross, please. Show us that you're here. Show us that you can do something for us. We will only ask you this once. Please just cross the dowsing rods. Thought then I was on 2. Crap myself, and I thought I was on a solid 2. These just ain't broken in a minute.
Come on.
Make my EMF meter go off if you were to... Oh!
Spike.
Do you see that the instant I asked it? Oh my god, it's just gone off again, Cole.
Come back in here.
There's activity in that room. I just had it go all the way to orange.
Yeah.
Did you catch on camera?
I might have once or twice.
The second I asked it to as well.
I feel safer in this room.
Why, because it's more of us.
Yeah.
So I was in here on my fucking home for like 11 seconds. But
Did you even notice?
No, not really. Only until now, and then I was like, spirits running around.
I get your
classic possession.
your spirit box out.
Keep up. Ooh! Fucked up again, man. I can't believe that went straight to orange the second I asked it to.
Yeah, it was a bit mental.
Can I take it in the next compartment to the room?
Huh?
Can I take that in the next compartment to the room?
Yeah, go on.
What's
that?
Just
You
hold
just-
it.
Yeah, you just hold it from the bottom, so you hold it like that.
Did you spike?
Look at it! Oh!
Can you see this, everyone? And it's not because the camera is about a bit of a
There's
distance.
no magnetic frequencies here. It only goes off. Yeah, it only goes off when it's on phones.
That's what I mean. Yeah, it was a good length for a guy, and it's not.
There's a massive difference.
That's what I mean. I can get.
That wouldn't be spiking up like that.
No.
Not this close.
No, because I have to go right on in. It don't spike until I get right near it.
And it's still not spiking.
No.
I'm gonna go fuck it. I'm
Come on,
not
then.
Yeah,
Come on,
no,
then.
just ask his spirits to, like, just be respectful and just say, can you make this EMF meter go off?
Alright, get it on camera.
Can anyone of you make the CMF meter go off?
Aye. Face the full camera.
Can you please make the EMF meter go off if you are... See, every time I ask it.
Seems to like you,
Hey,
bro.
stay still, I want to get...
Dave, if this is you, make it spike again.
It's not Dave.
Dave, if this is you, make my EMF meter go off. It's not Dave.
Whoever is here and would like to make yourself known, make the EMF meter go off.
Anybody.
touched. Right, do you want us to use a spirit box?
Would you like to communicate? Would you like to communicate with us properly?
Right.
It's every answer.
Right, everyone, we're going to sit down next room and get a spirit box.
We got to get a spirit box on the go. Oh,
Part 3.
This is class.
It's a part 3, everyone.
This is going to, I won't film this.
Maybe
This is
the
gonna be
next
a long
one up
video.
with the actual Antichrist.
We can try the EMF in here.
Yeah,
See if we get anything. I'll just leave my bag there.
Stronger connection in your spirit box, maybe as well.
We'll try all the rooms with a spirit box.
Doing it just in case anyone's trapped.
Is there anybody trapped in here?
No.
Make the EMF go off.
Seems like a dodgy little compartment of an under shelter, like you going in.
Nah, there's nothing happening in here.
Let's keep moving. Right, boys, I don't want to be in the back. Michael, camera, don't forget, I need you.
If there are any spirits trapped in this room, could you please set off my EMF meter? Don't be afraid. We would just like to communicate with you. Could you please make this EMF meter spike for me? We mean you no harm.
It's definitely not first room, boys.
I'm telling you there's something up with that first one because that's where I done the original spirit box.
Let's do
And I had loads towards the end of that corridor.
Come on, let's go back to the
in
first room.
spirits like symbols, most symbols in this room.
They're more attracted to water and trees and life and stuff like that. Like any living organism.
Stuff they miss now, basically.
Yeah,
This
because you've
being
got
alive.
now, which is a living organism of water. Oh boys, did you know there's a cold tank? There's a cold rack there.
Oh shit, didn't
I never know the sadly amount of times I've been down here since I was a kid. Genuinely.
This is our secret compartment, everyone. I might have not showed you.
Dark as hell.
Talking to camera. Let's do this is the centre point. Let's do the thing here.
We'll do the spirit box here now.